Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn about macroviruses. A macrovirus is different from a regular virus because it doesn't infect the operating system directly. Instead, it infects documents and templates in programs like Microsoft Word or Excel. These viruses are dangerous because once you open an infected file, the virus can spread to other documents automatically. Macroviruses are created using macro languages such as VBA. They are hidden inside documents or templates. When you open the infected document, the macro runs automatically. This can result in data loss, file corruption, or even spreading the virus to your colleagues through shared documents. There have been several famous macroviruses in history. Melissa virus spread through email attachments and caused massive email overload. Concept virus was the first macrovirus found in Word documents. Auto-exec virus is triggered automatically when Excel is opened. These examples show how macroviruses can target specific applications to spread quickly. How can you know if a document has a macrovirus? Often, your computer may slow down, files may disappear, or errors appear without reason. You might even see your email sending messages automatically. Always be careful with documents from unknown sources. Macroviruses spread primarily through infected documents. They often arrive via email attachments or downloaded files. USB drives and shared networks are also common carriers. Once the document is opened, the virus spreads automatically to other files. To summarize, macroviruses are dangerous because they hide in everyday documents. They spread quickly through emails and file sharing. By following safe practices and using antivirus tools, you can protect yourself and your data. Stay cautious and always think twice before opening unknown files. The best defense against macroviruses is prevention. Never open attachments from unknown senders. You can disable macros in your Office applications to stop automatic execution. Always keep your antivirus updated and back up your files regularly. Remember, prevention is always better than cure.